Hi, welcome to this new video. We are going to discuss about the fundamentals of Kestra. So if you're interested in DevOps, data engineering, data automation, and many other things, you have to learn Kestra, okay? So let's start with this. We are going to go together and we are going to do the fundamentals of Kestra course. Let's start. Many people get confused about what an orchestrator does. So the most important part is that an orchestrator does not process the data, okay? I love to think about an orchestrator like a brain, okay? It applies logical conditions and it assigns some tasks or decides what happens first, what happens next, things like that, okay? So here you have an ScalaDraw example. This is like a typical workflow. So the orchestrator assigns some tasks to, for example, the restaurant, to the platform that processes the payment, or to a driver, okay? But the most important part is that the process itself is not inside the orchestrator, okay? The orchestrator just says, okay, I have to send this data. Okay, who is going to process the data? It's another application or another program. It could be a Snowflake, it could be BigQuery, it could be anything. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept. Let's go with the other one. Let's go with the core concepts of Kestra. So let's start with YAML files. Okay, people like me love YAML files because it's human readable. I mean, if you pay attention to this code specifically, you can understand that you have one task with two things inside the task. Like the first one is fetch the data, like pull the data, then send an email. And also you have another concept that is so important, that is imperative versus declarative. With declarative, you just care about what to do, okay? And with imperative, you care about how to do the task. So in a declarative way, you just say, hey, I just want to pay, I just want to send an email. But using an imperative way, you can not just say that, you have to describe how to pay, okay? Or how to send an email, okay? Let's go with what is a task. It's a really interesting concept, right? So a task, imagine that you want to go to California or you want to go to any place in the world. So in order to go to that place, you have to first buy a ticket. You have to, I don't know, do some planning, like I want to visit this, I want to, I don't know, go to that place. So what I just say are tasks, okay? The main objective is go to California, but you have so many tasks to achieve the goal, okay? I hope you understand this, okay? And let's go with the other part. It's about language agnostic. Before Kestra, there was another thing that is Airflow, but for use Airflow, you have to first learn Python. But now, thanks to Kestra, Kestra doesn't care about if you know or if you're writing code in Python, in Golang, in Java. It doesn't matter, okay? You just declare everything using YAML files and you can run Python, Go, etc. here, okay? So I hope you understand this part. And now let's code.